What is up? Welcome to Market Psychology 101. In this video, we are going to be taking a look at JASMY, the 108th overall crypto with a current market cap of 634 million and a price at around penny and 3/10. So 0.013 is where the current price is right now. Now you can see I have a couple Fibonacci retracements drawn. This fib, it's micro fib drawn from this high in December of last year to the low in April of this year. And right now, JASMY is at this 236 level. Now, we are making a series of higher lows. You see that shown by that trend line right there. And we have the 3A2s, micro and macro-wise, meeting around the same area at around 0.017.5. Now, macro-wise, you'll see from where JASMY opened at 0.36, you can see the 3A2 here at, again, 0.0177. If you're under the 3A2, you can still technically put in lower lows. But we do have this flag wedge pattern coiling up here for JASMY. So we'll see what happens. You don't want to see these higher lows break down. Otherwise, not only will the 236 come back into play at 0.009, roughly speaking, but we could technically go lower. So again, getting above this 3A2 will be very important for JASMY. Now, as I mentioned before, it has a 630 million market cap. So if it 10x's, it'll have a $6 billion market cap, and a 10x would put it somewhere around its macro 786. So if you want JASMY to 10x, it would get here at 786. If you want it to 20x, you'd want it to get somewhere near the 888, a 30x at around its former all-time high. And if it was the 30x, then you have a market cap shade under 20 billion around there. Now, just for giggles, let's take a look at, what if JASMY hit its macro 1618 here? I hit the wrong fib here. Let's do that again. If JASMY hit its macro 1618 at around 60 cents, then we're talking about, or 58 cents at that 1618, then we're talking about a 60x, or being somewhere around $40 billion. I'd temper my expectations on that one a little bit. Again, I think if you were to draw a fib from high to low, any of these levels for JASMY, 10x, 20x, 30x, sure, at 60 seconds, it could be a 60x close to there. Those would be the price targets I'd absolutely get out. But do watch what happens here with JASMY. As Bitcoin starts going up to its all-time highs, whether it be 155, 200K, and gets that rotation, is JASMY going to be one of those low-cap altcoins that can explode? Those are the price targets I'd be watching for. If not, if it doesn't get above the 3.2, I'd be worried about this being dead.